Hi guys, it's PS back here again with a video, and today I'll be opening this smart pack from this year's Attax 2021 collection. So inside it contains a 2-player game mat, 5 assured limited edition cards, 3 assured giant cards and 20 packs of 6 cards each. So it costs rupees 700 and here's how the pack looks like. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the opening of this smart pack and let us see what we get inside. So I've already made two unboxing of this year's Attax 2021 collection on my YouTube channel, in which in one I've unboxed this super game pack, and in the other one I've unboxed the multi pack. So if you haven't checked those videos out, be sure to check that out. So here's the 2-player game mat. That's that. And here we have all the limited editions and the giant cards, and here we have 20 packs of 6 cards each. So this time they haven't introduced those generic flow packs with the actual packaging of Attax on it. These are just transparent packs having 6 cards each. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight in the opening of these packets. First of all, we have Randy Orton Icons card. We have Cruz, Sasha Banks, Walter, Daniel Bryan, and we have got Trent Seven. We have the Tag Team Championship, Bianca Belair, Riddle, Wolfgang, Tony Storm, and Strowman Backlash booster card. We have got this 5/5 Funhouse card, Cross, Kaylee Ray, a 25th anniversary card of Hulk Hogan, and another one of Stone Cold Steve Austin. Randy Orton booster card, Championship, Bailey, Drew McIntyre, Roman Reigns, and Peter Dunne NXT Heroes. We've got the Tag Team of the Hurt Business, another one of the Tag Team, 25th anniversary, Bray Wyatt, Damian Priest, and we have got Big E Langston 2021 Breakout Star card. We have got Asuka Extreme booster card, another one of these 25th anniversary, this time of Rock. We have got Dragunov, Shotzi Blackheart, and we have got the Riddle. Alexa Bliss 5/5 Funhouse card. We've got this holographic foil card of the Raw. We have got Randy Orton, Kevin Owens, and AJ Styles. We have got Lo Shirai, Shayna Baszler, Adam Cole, Finn Balor, and we have got Dominic Mysterio Payback booster card, and we have got a 100 Club of Alexa Bliss. I already have that one. Another one of these Firefly Funhouse cards. We've got Ricochet, Sasha Banks, Charlotte Flair, Flash Morgan Webster, and Alexa Bliss. We've got Raul Mendoza, Mustafa Ali, Otis, Mansoor, and Roman Reigns, along with this Edge booster card. We've got the Fiend Bray Wyatt 100 Club, 100 defense, 96 attack. A Legends card of Stone Cold Steve Austin, Fabian Aichner, Sheamus, and we have got Kyle O'Reilly, along with this James Drake. We have got Karrion Kross, John Morrison, Kalisto, Kushida, Kevin Owens, and a Royal Rumble booster card of Billy Kay. We've got Liv Morgan, Jeff Hardy, Jimmy Uso, Jey Uso, Kane, and Grand Metallic. We've got a Survivor Series booster card of The Miz, Joe Coffey, Shinsuke Nakamura, Duke, Lince Dorado, and Johnny Gargano. We've got Keith Lee, Shotzi Blackheart, Leon Ruff, Jackson Riker, and a Slapjack, along with this NXT logo card. We've got Apollo Crews Backlash booster card, Lo Shirai. We've got Wild, Lana, Indy Hartwell, and a T-Bar. We've got Casey Catanzaro, Caden Carter, Humberto Carrillo, Kofi Kingston, Sunil Singh, and Shinsuke Nakamura Champions, a Clash of Champions booster card. We've got 100 Club of Roman Reigns, 101 attack, 101 defense. I already pulled this card in my previous unboxing, so I'll keep this one for my giveaway. So yeah, moving on, we have the Firefly Funhouse card, Flash Morgan Webster, Jordan Devlin, Killian Dine, and Ivar. We've got King Corbin, Liv Morgan, Finn Balor, Kaylee Ray, and Sheamus Backlash booster card, along with the Icons card of Bailey. Moving on to the last packet, we've got the Riddle 2021 Breakout Star card, Jinder Mahal, Jake Atlas, Fandango, Lacey Evans, and Conor Reeves. So that wraps up our 20 packets. Moving on to the limited edition and the giant cards. So firstly we have this The Fiend Bray Wyatt Silver Limited Edition. We have a Bronze Limited Edition of Roman Reigns, a Gold Limited Edition of Big another Gold Limited Edition of Bianca Belair, Becky Lynch, and we have got some of these props. One is of the table, steel chair, ladder, special counsel Paul Heyman, and we have got this scratch and win card. Moving on to our giant cards. First we have Trish Stratus legend giant card. We have got the legendary Ric Flair, Stone Cold Steve Austin, and yeah, that's for the 3 giant cards which we pulled from this video. So yeah, that wraps up this video over here. This was the most special card which I think I pulled from this unboxing. So we'll definitely give this for giveaway, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, then please smash the like button down below, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe me for more videos. Peace out.